Hey guys, let's talk about continue recording on a Tapo C320WS. So here I have my camera already working, and you see here that's live, and I can just come here to the playback and download and see the live recordings, all right? You see here that I have a lot of recordings, and if I just stop here, I'm looking at the continuous recording. And here I see detection, okay? See here by this symbol, that's detection, motion detection, and then I have continuous recording again, and one more time motion detection, but this time for vehicle detection. Okay, I'll just explain here how it works. Basically, you can just increase this that way, right? And when you check here the color, you're gonna see that just right here I have continuous recording, right? Let me just see, you see the car moving there? So it's continuing recording, no matter if I have motion there or not, it's recording. So the car is no longer there, you see? Now it's no longer there, but it's still recording. So that's good if you have the camera in front of a safe or something and nothing is moving, but you still can record everything. If you hear the watch is ticking, right? So it's recording even though when there is no motion. And you just need to take a look here that the color here is close to the color of the timeline here when there's nothing recorded. So just pay attention to this. I think Tapo could improve this and make like a different color, but when you come here, for example, there's no recording. See, when I just let it go, it comes back to the next recording available. And here it stays because I have recording there. Let me just come back here. You see that here as well, I have no recording. When I let it go, it just jumped to the next recording. You see it? So some motion recording and then some recording that are continuous, right? I was testing here different ways to make it work. Then I can see now that's recording correctly continuously, right? So to make this work, you just need to come here to your camera and work with the schedule. You see here, when I come here on the settings, storage and recording, you have the recording schedule. And here, you see that I have in blue the continuous recording. That's why it's recording like this. And right now you see that I have between 6 and 8 a.m. to record continuously and then record my motion all day long, right? And you see that I can do this for every weekday in every hour. So just come here, edit, and then you can, let's say for example here, motion detection, and for continuous recording, I just come here, and just put for every single day, between 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. You see it? Then I just save, and I'm good to go, okay? But when you come back here to the timeline, let me just show you again here on the timeline with the playback and download. And you see here that's recording the SD card. While you have motion enabled, it's going to prioritize the motion. You see here, for example, I have a road here with cars passing by all the time, and then it prioritizes here the motion. When there's no motion anymore, it's going to start recording continuously, right? So that's basically the way it works. And here as well, you just need to come on detection, and here you can select motion detection, person detection, or vehicle detection, which I have right now, right? So I have both working at the same time, motion detection, in this case vehicle, and continuous detection, continuous recording at the same time, okay? So it works pretty fine, as you can see here, and you just need to do this way, right? There's also the concept of recording from here. You see, when you start recording here, it's not going to record on the SD card. So just be careful with this. It's continuous recording right now, everything that happened here, but it's not recording to the SD card. So just be aware of this. I've seen people already talking to record that way continuously, but that one is recording just on my cell phone. When I stop here, for example, it goes to my cell phone. So I just come here, for example, and I can see the video recorded. You see it? It's just right here. So it doesn't work to record on your SD card, right? But anyway, now you know how to enable continuous recording on your Tapo C320WS. I hope that helps. Leave your thumbs up here, your comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.